Привет, and welcome to my channel, RussianMatreshka. And today I will introduce you a new letter of the Russian alphabet and 10 most frequently used Russian words that start with that letter. Are you ready? Let's go! For today's lesson, I want to introduce you Russian letter M. Russian letter M in Old Church Slavonic alphabet used to be called mysliti, which means to think. Russian letter M is based on a Greek letter mu. And let's start with 10 most frequently used Russian words that starts with the letter M. Word number 1 is мы, which means we. For example, мы можем, we can. And word number 2 is мочь. And I just used that word in my previous example. Мочь means to be able to or can. And мочь is the infinitive form of this verb. Let's look at the conjugation of this word. And to conjugate this word, we use the main part of this word, мог or мож, and just observe how it conjugates. Я могу, ты можешь, он, она, оно может, мы можем, вы можете, они могут. Word number 3 is мой. Мой means my. For example, это мой дом. This is my house. And мой is for masculine words. For feminine words, we use моя. Это моя кофта. This is my cardigan. Это моя шапка. This is my hat. Word number 4. Word number 4 is можно. Можно means it's possible. For example, можно идти. It's possible to go. Word number 5 is много. And много translates as a lot, many, much. For example, много работы. A lot of work. Много яблок. Many apples. Word number 6. Word number 6 is молодой. Молодой means young. Молодые люди. Young people. Молодой человек. A young person. Word number 7. Word number 7 is место. Место means place. Здесь нет места. There's no place or no room. Word number 8. Word number 8 is mashina. Mashina is based on the Latin word machina, which means a car. For example, голубая машина, a blue car. Word number 9. Word number 9 is malchik. Malchik means a boy. Word number 10. Word number 10 means malenkiy. And look how similar it is to malchik. Malenkiy means small. So we can use as an example маленький мальчик, a small boy. Or они живут в маленьком доме. They live in a small house. Let's repeat one more time all these wonderful words that we learned today. 1. Мы. 2. Мочь. 3. Мой. 4. Можно. 5. Много. 6. Молодой. 7. Место. 8. Машина. 9. Мальчик. 10. Маленький. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me some feedback if you want to learn something specific. And of course, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Пока-пока-пока-пока. Bye!